morning, guys. Happy Monday. Today is the first Monday back. Well, actually, it's the first day back to work for me after my vacation, and I figured it was the perfect time to share with you guys how I get back into my routine and how I stay productive when I get back from vacation and I don't want to do anything. That is definitely me today, but I wanted to take you guys along. So it's like a day in the life of an Etsy shop owner, but it's also like how to get back into your routine after vacation. It's very hard to do, at least for me. I'm sure other people struggle with it too. You're like, I've just been on vacation for the past week. I haven't had to get up at any certain time. I've not had anywhere to be, anything to do. But here we are, back at work. There's stuff to do, there's orders to get done, lots of stuff to do today. So I figured that I would take you guys along for that. Also, I wanted to point out, if you notice that my face is really red, it's not really red, but it's a little red. I did get sunburned. That's my own fault. I put on sunscreen, but I don't like to reapply. I like to put stuff on and be done and good for the day. I don't like to reapply, and I didn't reapply and I got burned and I'm peeling right there. So I wanted to just let you guys know that's what's going on with my face today. But that's enough of that. We are going to get started. So my first tip for getting back into a routine is making yourself a nice cup of tea or coffee or whatever your treat go-to drink is in the morning. You should get some of that. So let's go get some tea for me. And now to let the tea bag brew. Well, you know what I mean. So I just kind of leave it in there. I'll add my dash of almond milk, and I'll actually leave the bag in there for a while just because I like it to really get all the good flavors and be extra bold. So there's that. Tip number 2 is if you guys have windows, to open them, let the sunshine in. Sometimes I have to close these because of the way that I sit. It shines in my eyes. I am thinking about moving that over here. We will see, but I love having the sunshine streaming in. It's just so nice. Okay, my next tip is to take a little piece of paper, write down the top 3 things that you need to accomplish today. Because I find that it can be very easy, and this is everyday kind of stuff too, but especially after vacation, it can be very easy to give yourself a ridiculously long to-do list that is impossible to accomplish all the tasks, and you kind of get sidetracked and you'll try to jump from one task to the other and not really complete anything, so that at the end of the day you feel like you've not been productive or accomplished anything. But if you write down your top 3 and you focus on that, and then after the top 3 maybe add in a couple more things or whatever, but as long as you get those top 3 things done, you'll feel like you have accomplished something. So I'm gonna write my 3 things that I need to do and I'll share with you guys. Okay, so here are my top 3. I need to do all open orders. I want to design for $2 Tuesday tomorrow, and then I need to do the listing photos for the $2 Tuesday items that I've designed. If I get all that done, which I should, then I will add to my list, but these are the top 3 things that I'm focusing on now, and I ranked them in a matter of importance. So it's really important that I get my orders done. That is top priority today. And then if I get that done, next top priority would be to design $2 Tuesday, since that is tomorrow. And then after that, I need to do the listing photos so I can put up the $2 Tuesday. So that's how I come up with my top 3. I think of the most important thing, and then I work down from there. So we're gonna start off, we're gonna start working on orders. I need to figure out what I need to print, so I'm gonna make a list of that, and we're gonna get this party started. So I've got everything queued up for all of my glossy. So I decided to do it this way. I queued everything up for all of my glossy. I'm gonna print all of my glossy. I think I'm gonna cut it all, and then I'm gonna print my matte, I think is how I'm gonna do it, because I can't open too many things in Silhouette because it'll crash. But by doing it this way, I can print all the glossy, and I can cut all the glossy, and then we can move on to all of our matte. Also guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really struggling today to just get back into the swing of things. It is really difficult, even when you love what you do. So it can be really, really hard. So I'm gonna talk about a couple of things that I find make it a little bit easier for me. And I know that these are tips that maybe not everybody can do, but if you can, I do recommend them. So one tip that I have is to let yourself sleep in, especially for me. We just got home last night. I got home 12 hours ago. And so it's basically like get home and go to bed. So I allowed myself to sleep in and just kind of have a lazy morning. Normally I would have been working at like 8:30, 9 o'clock, but I allowed myself to kind of take it easy, relax, and just get to it when I get to it. Obviously, like I knew I had certain things that have to be done today, like my orders. I'm telling myself they have to be done today. But I also allowed myself time to relax and get myself together. I know not everybody can do that, especially if you work outside of the home. People are depending on you to be there at a certain time. But if you can, if you work for yourself, if you work from home, and you can allow yourself like that freedom to kind of just like get it together, I definitely recommend that. Or I recommend like maybe coming home from vacation a day earlier so you have like that day to get everything ready for the week ahead and make it a little bit easier for yourself. I apparently don't like to make things easier for myself because I'm like, we got a vacation until the last possible second. Mainly just giving yourself grace and knowing that it's not all gonna be like, you're not gonna get caught up on a week's worth of work in one day. So that's where like the to-do list, the top 3 comes in. Make sure that you get what has to be done and don't sweat the rest. If you can get to the rest, that's great, but don't like feel like it's all gonna fall apart if you can't, you know? Just get to the important stuff and the rest will follow eventually. It is 11 o'clock and I just finished all the glossy. I'm just kind of sitting it here for right now. I took down my table that was here. I put it back in the corner over there. Also, don't mind my messy office, whatever. But I finished the glossy orders, so they're just gonna stay right there until I'm ready to package everything up. I'm getting ready to switch to my other paper, and then I'm going to queue up everything in Silhouette and start printing and cutting that, which makes me really, really happy because I feel like I'm gonna get this done early on today and I'll have plenty of time to design. Hey guys, it has been a little while. I actually just finished doing all the orders. I've got to package them up, but I'm not feeling well, and it's like hit me all of a sudden. Like I really, really do not feel well. I'm thinking that maybe I got a bug or something on vacation, so I think I'm gonna lay down for a little bit, see if I can kind of like shake this feeling. I feel very hot and very cold and just I don't feel well, and so I think I'm going to just lay down for a little bit. I did finish all the orders. I just have to package them, and I can have James take them to the post office tonight if I'm not feeling well. But I'm like really, really hot and like cold all at the same time. But so I finished like my main task that had to be done today. If I can't design $2 Tuesday, then I will probably just set stuff that's already in the shop for $2 Tuesday. So yeah, it kind of sucks because I don't feel well, but I think there's a couple things. Like I could have picked up a bug because obviously I was at Disney World and there's people all over, and no matter how many times you sanitize your hands or you wash your hands, you still can pick up stuff from people. So I could have that going on, but I also feel like I've just been exhausted. So it could just be exhaustion. I don't know, but I'm not feeling good. So I did what I could. I did the important things, and now I'm going to rest a little bit, see if I can shake this feeling. If I don't come back on today, I'll try to like extend the vlog through tomorrow. Good morning guys, this is day 2 of this vlog. As you just saw, I got really sick yesterday, but I am feeling better today, and I need to finish designing $2 Tuesdays. I did a little bit yesterday, like last night, but I need to finish that up. So I'm gonna show that. I'm gonna show doing the listing photos and the listings, and then I'll probably end the vlog after that. But yeah, I feel like this vlog was kind of all over the place just because I did get sick. So yeah, not fun. So So it's like even harder to find motivation and get back into your routine when the day you get home from vacation you're sick. But hopefully you guys got something out of this vlog and it helps you find motivation to get back to your daily routine. But I'm gonna get started on designing $2 Tuesdays and I'll show you guys that. You guys, I've been a bad vlogger today. I totally forgot to show you guys when I was doing my $2 Tuesday listings. And I also have been trying to revamp the website a little bit, because it's just not where I want it to be. But I know that that takes time and I'm gonna just have to work on that. So I've done a couple things. I've changed a couple things. Like I've changed this top bar. It has like these lines, which I just feel like makes it pop more. Then I also changed some of the categories. I added some like featured collection stuff. So that's what I did there. I like tried to break everything down into sections even more than they already were, because like the typography, wow, I can't talk, stickers were just part of the functional and so were the doodles, and it was just kind of like this. I still need to work on this, but this was just like a hodgepodge of like stuff, and I did not, and I still don't like the way this looks. I'm still working on it, but yeah, it's just like all over the place. Like I have to take these doodle stickers out of here, but yeah. And then just have like our new releases. Those were the ones from before I went on vacation, but there'll be new ones up this Friday. We have like, you know, our monthly kits. So anyway, I'm just trying to revamp the website, but I didn't show you guys me putting up all the $2 Tuesday listings. So that was kind of a fail. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. Honestly, I feel like this entire vlog has been kind of a fail because I got sick. And so it's just kind of been, I feel like, all over the place, and I apologize for that. I really have gone back and forth with if I should even put this video up. But I think that I've just told myself, you know what, like I'm still gonna put my video up. It is not perfect, but that is, I don't wanna be one of those YouTube channels that like can only put up perfect stuff. Like I'm a real human and stuff happens and my videos aren't perfect. And with these videos, yes, I want them to be as like the best that they can be, but I also have to step back and realize like I'm not perfect, and nobody on this earth is perfect, no matter how hard they try to get like their Instagram feed to look at or their videos or whatever. Like nobody's perfect, and I don't want to pretend to be anything other than I am. So yeah, I'm still gonna post this video, and if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm probably gonna end it here because I want to edit and put it up today. So if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that way you help me know that you like it and want to see more content like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Like I said, you're gonna see all kinds of content from me very soon. And also hit the bell notification if you haven't already, because it notifies you whenever I upload. So you don't miss an upload, you don't miss a video, you can keep up with everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.